What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Issa here at Icy Island. Today I got a 2013 Ford Edge for you guys. My friend brought it in because he had a long repair sheet. Didn't want to pay too much, so I helped him out with it.
We'll start off with a simple lesson for those who don't know. Wiper blades aren't too hard to change. You gotta focus on two parts, the arm and the blade. On the blade, there's a ball. Here, you can see it right here. There's a ball that you want to get hooked into the J of the arm. To get it hooked in, you kind of gotta align it, pull it tight, and then you'll feel it snap. Once it snaps, it's locked in.
Next up, we got brakes and rotors.
Now that the first rotor is in and done, it's time to move on to the other sides. Pretty much the same process. Inner and outer tie rod time. My worst friend or my best enemy. Mainly because I never have the proper tool to do it. I always try to makeshift something or think of something, but it never works. So I always end up at AutoZone. After about 30 minutes fighting with it, I just end up at AutoZone like always. Now we're on spark plugs. Quick tip, before you do anything electrical, to avoid any issues, just disconnect the battery. Better safe than sorry. Next we got the starter. Only things really in the way are this radiator hose and the airbox. Now that I've got more space, upper radiator hose has to come out. Both holding the starter in gotta get loose and gotta keep the area clean. Now that I got both starters out, it's time to put the new one back in. Pretty much came out with the round part facing the bottom and the bolts facing the right side.
All right, y'all. Well, that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know your thoughts.